Alright, hey everybody, this is Chris. Got my microphone fixed, so I'm going to give you a little narration to let you know the process here to help you understand a little more. I had a couple questions about it, so I thought I'd explain what I was doing. When I first start this, I go and I type live in on Facebook, and you can see the timestamp at the bottom right corner. So you get a notification if you're involved in the event so that you know it's gone live. Copy the list and go to random.org. Start a new giveaway. Type in Marty's Winner's Choice 118. This is where we would determine how many randomizations. I click the button over here to roll the dice, fill up 2 dice. It tells me it's going to randomize 5 times. I click OK. Copy all 10 names in here, make sure they all show up in there. And I click begin the giveaway. It randomizes each time I click next round. You can see the number of rounds right above it. So we have 1 randomization left. And it looks like Linda Platt is the winner. And I come over here and say complete. Uploading video to YouTube. That's all there is to it. Congratulations to the winner, and I will